So I did a review a few months ago after I first purchased the Asigo system. I am now in week 11 and just wanted to update everybody on how it's going. Let's get right into this one today. The Asigo system is an e-services drop shipping training course and storefront. So the way it works is that essentially you are finding business owners in a specific niche and connecting them to your e-services dropshipping store that the Asigo system has made for you, and you have private labeled to your own company name and your own branding. Chris Munch, the creator of this system, teaches the trainings every week live himself. High earnings and high paydays. So my final verdict, obviously, I highly recommend this. I don't think it's available to purchase right now, sadly, because Chris does all the weekly trainings live. So you have to buy into it when he's starting like a new cycle of trainings, I think. But if you're lucky to have a chance to buy it when it's available and you have the money for it, I highly recommend it.